In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Chromecast in Brave browser. If you'd like to cast videos, music, or other content from Brave browser to a Chromecast-enabled device, there's a simple way to enable this functionality without installing any additional extensions or software. Brave includes an experimental setting that can activate casting support directly within the browser. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process and show you how to turn it on in just a few moments. To begin, open Brave browser on your computer and make sure it's fully loaded. Once you're on the browser's main window, click on the address bar at the top of the screen. This is where you'll enter a special Brave configuration page that contains advanced browser features and experimental options. In the address bar, type the internal flags page address and press Enter on your keyboard. This will open Brave's experimental settings section, where you can access features that aren't always enabled by default. These settings provide additional customization options and allow you to unlock certain browser capabilities. After the page loads, look for the search field located near the top. Click inside the search box and search for Media Router. This is the feature responsible for handling casting functionality within the browser. Searching for it directly will help you find the correct option much faster, especially since the flags page contains many different settings. Once the Media Router option appears in the results, locate its setting menu. By default, it may be set to its standard configuration. Click the drop-down menu associated with Media Router and change the setting to Enabled. This tells Brave to activate the built-in casting functionality that can communicate with compatible Chromecast devices on your network. After enabling the feature, you'll need to restart the browser for the change to take effect. Brave will typically display a Relaunch button on the screen. You can click this button to restart immediately, or you can manually close the browser and open it again. Either method will apply the new setting. When Brave launches again, the casting feature should now be available. To verify that everything is working correctly, open a video on a supported website, such as a video streaming platform. You should now see an option that allows you to cast or transmit the content to a Chromecast-compatible device connected to the same network. If the option appears, that means the feature has been successfully enabled and is ready to use. You can now enjoy streaming content from Brave browser directly to your television or other compatible display. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully enabled Chromecast support in Brave browser without installing anything extra. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.